Yo, Artie fam, it is good to be back. 2021 is going to be a good year. The energy's right, the motivation's right. We're doing our best to make sure we give you guys content. Now, it's been a long time I've been speaking about giving content on YouTube and whatnot, but the GoPro is in hand, so it's a lot easier to do some filming. But yeah, man, let's go, guys. Let's go.
Ladies and gentlemen.
So, from watching this video, you will see I've been through an emotional roller coaster. Somehow, I've managed to keep myself motivated. But what I want to ask you, how do you keep yourself motivated? Drop some comments below, man. Let me know what you're thinking. You hear that? That would tell you it's 8:30 on time, and we are at DV8. See, I am here. Can't see the video guy though. Nope. To talk about black man timing. Come on, mate, what's going on? So today, you can see we're at DV8 Automotive, working on this Land Rover Discovery. It needs a tidy up. It's got a few little imperfections on the paintwork, hence the reason why they've called it Artie Ganging. So we're going to give this a pretty up, and then we're going to show you how we do the process. Somebody messaged me the other day and says, oh, fair play, man, great business, is it easy to set up? I'm not far from. I don't suppose you can do a car for me tomorrow.
What, wash your car?
Yeah.
Well, are you busy?
Mate, yeah, the diary's already booked like this, full up.
Can you ensure I'm going to do a good job?
Eh?
You know, there's a reason why I'm behind the camera and I'm not cleaning the wheels. One thing, if you're ever out on an artisan trip, you're never going to miss these. If you're ever out or you meet artisan and he hasn't got a bag of these, yeah, then he's not very well. Do you ever leave a house without your herbals, bro?
Mate, are you mad?
Be honest.
That's like leaving the house, Commander. As you can see on the side, it's got some livery, the ex-DV8 livery. So we've come in to remove, obviously, the glue residue off the side. Once we put our lights on it, we'll see if there's any imperfections in the paint, because we don't want to hand the car over to a client with paint imperfections. Here now for a few years, DV8 Automotive. As most of you know, in these difficult times, it either makes you or breaks you. And fortunately, the position DV8 are now in, it's actually made them. Not that they wasn't doing well before, but they're absolutely smashing it on all fronts. So yeah, just know, it's not bad for everybody. So, the next step is taking the car inside, cleaning the interior. And once we've done that, I'm going to have a look at the paint, see if it's in a bad way. Wish me luck. So first of all, I'm going to wipe down any excess water that may be dripping off the vehicle. Then I'm going to get the airline and blow out all that excess water. This is where the wheel work starts. Let's get the chair for my old back.
All these years of crouching.
Mate.
Crouching by tyres, crouching by wheels.
I think it sounds like a Jet Li film. Wax on, wax off.
Yo, did you just open the car?
Oh yeah, I did. Keyless entry. Do you not know what keyless entry is? Keyless entry is being able to open up the vehicle without physically using the key. It has a signal from the car to the key to tally that both of them are together. Unfortunately, a lot of people's cars have been stolen with keyless entry.
How do they use it to steal cars?
Basically what they do, they just attach a system to the vehicle to prevent a normal user being able to rob your car. So for example, as you can see, the door just locked. And now the door opens. That's happening because I've got the key in my pocket. What a thief would do is get a boosting signal, receive that signal when I press the lock. It goes to their Wi-Fi laptop or booster, and then what that does is allow them to transmute this signal to their key so they can open up the door themselves. But when you get a ghost immobilizer, it blocks that signal from being transferred. Get one. So I get questions all the time about how do you correct the paint, what pad shall I use, what polish shall I use. I've done a test patch on this particular paint with a yellow pad and Car Pro's fixer. Now this compound here is a medium cut compound which actually says it does non-dusting. It's got enough abrasive to get rid of the imperfections, but it doesn't dust everywhere, which means you don't have to do a lot of cleaning up after. Test patch was with this yellow pad. The compound and the pad was too aggressive, so when I actually corrected the paint, it left imperfections in the paint. It got rid of a lot, but it also put some in. Then we move on to this bad boy. Now I'm using a DAS Pro machine polisher. This is actually an intermediate / novice machine polisher. You don't have to buy the most expensive machine polisher to get great results. So that's one thing. The second thing, this is a soft pad. So I've used a soft pad with a medium compound, and the results. What time is it? 3:41. Things people don't see. Doing this job, you have to be mentally strong. Things like this don't come easy. I've been on this car now for 7 hours.
Yeah.
You just gotta have a strong mindset because it's not easy. Your body starts aching and you start thinking to yourself, oh, can't I just finish? But I'm quite resilient as a person by nature anyway. So I just think to myself, get out the zone, go and have a walk, come back, go again. Just gotta be resilient. I needed a push. I need a second push. Had to go and get some cold candy. Have you guys had your cold candy before? Listen, this bag, sure it's under 15 quid. Look at the goodness. Oh my days. Hey! yeah. I'm using a soft pad. But obviously, because I've done majority of the car, the pad's losing its biting ability. Get rid of the imperfections on the paint. Changing over to a different pad. Hopefully, gets quicker results. I've had enough. Computational overload, my brain has exploded. The vehicle has got the better of me. I'm gonna come back in the morning and finish this off. Morning, it is 12 minutes past 7, going back over there today to finish off what I've begun. So let's go over, see how we get on. Outside to get some reflection on how I'm feeling at the moment, because life's all about energy and this vlog is about being transparent. So today has been an emotional hurdle. I woke up this morning and I had lack of energy because of a late night last night, and having a talk with my fellow colleagues, thinking about the position the business is in, which is a good one. But the only reason we're in this position is because we work hard, something that people don't generally see. They see the laughing side of the business and, you know, the happy, jovial. But now it's time for the deep talk. So what I've realized in life and business is we need to make sure when we have a team or when we have an idea that the people who are involved in that idea and team have got the right energy as well. Sometimes what happens in life is we align ourselves with energies that aren't consistent. People don't always value positions the same. For example, somebody might have a packaging company and think, oh, I can take on anybody to do the packaging because it's not as important as the CEO. But in reality, every role is important. So going forward, if anyone's starting a business, just ensure you have a great team, which we have, and you have the right ideas and ideologies going forward. Align yourself with great people. Finally, we are all done. Guys, this has been a hard task. As you saw for the video, I had to push through. But we're finished and the results speak for themselves. If you haven't done it already, smash the subscribe button. If you like the content, give us a thumbs up. But you know the motto, whatever you do, do it well.
Ladies and gentlemen,